Hello friends, welcome to a new episode of STRAT India. Today we will discuss about the new GS vehicle requirement by Indian MOD to replace Maruti Gypsy in armed forces. The Ministry of Defence, Government of India, intends to procure approximate 1500 light vehicle GS 4x4700 to 900 kilograms hardtop for use by the three services. The vehicle will be used in general service role in hills, high-altitude, snow-bound areas, plains and desert and any other terrain as prevalent in the country. The vehicle should be based on contemporary technology to meet the specific requirement of the services. The Indian Armed Forces are all set to replace the ever-dependable Maruti Gypsy all-purpose 4x4 vehicles which are present in large numbers in Indian Army and are based in old technology. The latest vehicles will be based on latest BS6 standards. The vehicle should employ contemporary technology in all its systems to deliver best performance and reliability. It should be able to perform optimally in desert, cross-country, high-altitude and snow-bound areas not less than 5,000 meters above MSL. The overall dimensions and weight of the vehicle should allow it to go across a Class 5 bridge and be transportable by broad gauge section of the railway with ODC clearance. The vehicle should be transportable in service aircraft and provided with lashing points, hooks on all four sides so that it can be airdropped. The vehicle should be capable of carrying 7 soldiers with their personal weapons and equipment including driver. The Indian vehicle manufacturers like Tata, Mahindra and Force has already developed these type of vehicle which can compete in this tender. Force Motors Gurkha and Mahindra's Marksman are the frontrunners in this tenders which are already inducted by Indian Army in small numbers. These vehicles are meeting the Indian Army's requirement which are specified in this tender. The old workhorse Maruti Gypsy was supplied to Army till 2020 during the Ladakh standoff with China. Gypsy was introduced in 1984. Now time has come to replace this Maruti Gypsy with new vehicle with modern safety norms and improved standards. Feel free to share your views on comments box. If you liked this video, please share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more of these videos. With this I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends.